Hi friends, welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notification. PM Modi kick-started 3 high-throughput coronavirus testing facilities today in India. ICMR-NATIONAL Institute of Cancer Prevention and Research, which is located in Noida. ICMR-NATIONal Institute for Research in Reproductive Health, Mumbai, Maharashtra. ICMR-NATIONal Institute of Cholera and Enteric Diseases in Kolkata, Bengal. These new testing facilities will be able to test over 10,000 samples in a day. The labs will also reduce turnaround time and exposure of lab personnel to infectious clinical materials. These testing labs are enabled to test diseases other than COVID as well, and post-pandemic will be able to test for hepatitis B and C, HIV, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, cytomegalovirus, chlamydia, Neisseria, dengue, etc. India is the world's second largest manufacturer of PPE kits now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said today. Over 1,200 companies are making PPE kits within 6 months. More than 3 lakh N95 masks are made each day in India. In May, 600 firms were producing 4.5 lakh PPE kits per day, according to Union Minister Smriti Irani. 1,300 active labs conducting over 5 lakh tests per day, and that is would be scaled up to 10 lakh tests per day. In January, we had just one testing center. Now 1,300 labs are functioning. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button for notification.